hands up, Gabriela. Gabriela, hands up, Gabriela. Oh! Next.
Okay.
Nag-this naman, nag-this.
So hi guys, we're gonna play, but also exercise. We're gonna play Jack and Boy. I have a Huntrix logo.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, let's get
Hey,
it.
you didn't introduce me.
Oh yeah, and this is the in a room nil.
Yeah! Hey, I'm not Tae. Okay, so now we're going to play Jack and Poy. Is that right?
Yes.
You sure? And then, if I win, you're going to do jumping jacks, right?
Okay, yeah.
Here, okay? And then, if you win, I'm going to throw you up. That's my exercise.
Okay.
And your exercise is jumping jack, okay?
Okay, chill.
If you win by this, by scissor, you're gonna do 2 jumping jacks or 2 throw, okay?
Okay.
Whatever's that. And if this one is 10, this one paper is 5. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Can they do it?
Yes.
Alright, flex! Yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking!
Excuse me, why?
Okay, first, come on here.
Okay.
There. You ready? Now warm up. Here ka. I'll just remove my slippers. Come on.
Okay.
Here. Okay, guys, so this is real, right, Mandy?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Show them. Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
5 jumping jacks for Mandy Paddy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright.
How about 6 because I'm sick?
Are you in a hurry?
Yeah.
I mean, are you tired already? Okay, not yet, guys. Mandy Paddy is full of energy, fresh from the field trip. Let's go.
Rock.
No, here.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm gonna do 10. Oh my
No,
god.
baby,
Oh, you're so bad. You're so bad. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna get my energy. Hey. Okay, 1. I'm so heavy.
That was
Alright.
so scary.
She's like 20 plus kilos, almost 30. This is the 3. 3. 1, 4. Number 4.
It hurts, it hurts.
Ah, that hurts. Okay, here. 4. 4.
That hurts so bad. How about here? Just here.
Here?
No, yeah, there.
How? Okay, jump also.
Okay.
5. Only 5, man. Yeah. I changed my mind. Only 5, guys.
No, 10. You promised 10.
Alright. Just for this one. Here, I'm gonna have to hold you here. 4 more. This is tiring than I expected. 7.
Oh my god, that hurt. Wait, let me just take a break. Okay.
Only 3. 3 more, guys. 8. Last 2. Come on.
Okay.
Oh my god, I can do this. Next time is only 2.
Okay. One more.
Hey, that's done. Already 10.
Oh.
Okay, come on. Let's see if I can get back on Mandy.
You're rock.
Here. Show that. Let's show it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey! Only 1.
Only one.
Oh my god, I can't do 10. Maybe 2.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so tired already, guys. It's like having it's like how many kilos?
2
No.
kilos.
Like
300.
15 pounds. 15 pounds. Because of 31, 2, 3. Last one. 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my goodness. You're gonna make me tired. Oh my god. Only two. Oh my god, guys, this is not real.
Another one.
This is
Another
unreal.
round.
Only 1 or 2?
Three.
Two, only 2.
Three.
Wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Next.
Okay.
Like this naman, like this. Oh my god, imagine lifting almost 30 kilos. Here. I'm gonna get back on you.
Rock, paper, scissors,
shoot. Jumping jacks, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, that's enough. I think Monday I can't lift you anymore.
No, again.
You're so heavy.
But I need another one because I lose.
I think we're even.
No, I need more.
Let's say goodbye na, Monday.
No!
Okay, guys. See you later
No!
again.
But I...
This is the last round. This is the last round, okay? Alright? This is the last round, okay? You swear? Last round, promise?
I promise.
Okay, come on.
No.
Here.
3 more rounds.
Come on.
3!
Only one more.
3!
Come on, only last
Okay,
one.
okay.
Because we're about to eat dinner, guys. So let's eat dinner later, guys. Or whatever. Don't forget to eat after you exercise. And of course, clean up. Right? Ah, look at that, my sweat. Okay. Hag-five mo na. Okay, that's so sweaty. Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
This is the last one, okay?
Okay.
This is so intense, guys. Come on, let's show her. You ready?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Another one.
No, last two, Con. Do your promise, come on.
Fine, I'm gonna do 20.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6. I will count again.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Now, hands up.
20.
Enough na. For the last one. 1, 2, 3. Hands up, Gabriela. Gabriela, hands up, Gabriela.
See you, kill it, you know? No!